Experience the ultimate in flexible bagging solutions live at Promat with PAC machinery. We will be showcasing a combination of our most versatile baggers for fulfillment with a strong emphasis on flexibility and sustainability. PAC is launching the new Rollbag R985 automatic bagger, a new compact and versatile tabletop bagger that offers high-speed packaging with both paper and poly materials. See a second bagger option that packages larger products with both curbside recyclable paper and poly mailers. It's the new Rollbag R3200 fulfillment paper auto bagger. PAC's most popular bagger, the Rollbag R785 with thermal transfer printer, a dependable industrial quality multi-shift packaging solution that uses an advanced control system and can operate at a rate of up to 40 bags per minute. Shown with an advanced printer, this machine will print shipping information right on the bag. See something truly unique to PAC machinery, our poly tubing material, running on a Rollbag R3200 XL fulfillment for larger products. Increase efficiency and lower material costs with this innovative auto bagger and make bags of varying lengths to each product length and save even more on material costs. Consider the 6800 CS high-speed side sealer and package products up to 16 inches wide and unlimited lengths rapidly to wrap thousands of products per hour for retail-ready packaging at an outstanding value. You may also consider the 6750 EL automatic intermittent motion L-bar sealer, a versatile, highly efficient, all-electric shrink wrapper that can be used for shrink wrapping with a tunnel or to bag various products together known as multi-packing. Visit PAC Machinery at Promat for the latest in bagging technology, equipment, and materials.